Now, answering your questions about the law and legal issues. This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
Hello there and welcome. Welcome, Gary.
Good morning. Good morning.
We have an email question this week.
Good.
So we're going to pull it up on the screen. I'm going to read it. My mom is in a nursing home, and lately I've noticed that she is very drowsy every time I visit. This is unusual, and I'm worried the staff might not be giving my mom the correct dosage of her medication. What should be my first steps to figuring out if I need to file a lawsuit?
All right. Well, good question, I guess. I think you're a long way from filing a lawsuit.
Yeah.
The first thing to do is get a second opinion. Maybe talk to the doctors, talk to the nursing staff. You know, the good news is you're actively involved in care and notice these things, and I think that makes a difference on a lot of levels. But it also gets you there early where you can talk to people and find things out. Document what's told to you. It may not be written down in the records just the way it's told to you, but you can verify that by sending an email maybe to follow up. This will follow up our conversation today. You type this up wherein you told me that this would be done or this is what's being done. Now you're starting to document things if you're concerned about it. And then ultimately, here's the truth about nursing home cases, medical cases. They're not decided by lawyers. They're not decided by the family. They're decided ultimately by professionals who have to give an opinion saying that the standard of care was breached by the providers.
Okay.
So you're going to have to get the records. You're going to need documentation about what happened. You know, I would take photographs if there's issues, a video if you really see a pronounced change in personality. You know, and all that.
Yeah,
it's hard to do in the face of people around you, but maybe if you really notice a problem, do that.
Yeah, and with the technology we have today, it makes it a lot easier to be able to do those kinds of things, right?
Absolutely.
Yeah. Now, so as a follow-up to that, what are some of the signs? And you mentioned a couple of them. But some of the signs to look for regarding abuse or neglect in a nursing home?
Well, I think every individual case speaks on its own. If the good news is this family's involved in there obviously often.
Right.
And so if you see changes, document them. Make sure things are done right. And then as far as the medical side, get a second opinion. Don't be afraid. Lawyer-wise too. You know, if you're not happy with what's going on or you have questions or confusion and they're not answering it, a second opinion is always available and appropriate. So. You know, I wish the best for your mother, and I hope that it resolves itself without the need for a lawsuit, because frankly, that's the last thing you really want.
Right, right, absolutely. Thank you so very much, Gary.
You're welcome.
Look forward to getting your questions. Please send them to us. We'll see you on the very next Legal Break.